Hey guys, welcome back to the Cristina Moda channel. So I've got some more small leather goods to share with you today. So this is a little set that looks like it was never used, so it's in like new condition, and as you can see it comes in this little coach box. So I'll show you what we've got. So here we have this small cosmetic pouch and a little lipstick case. So it comes with this little booklet. I'll show you. And here's the cosmetic pouch. Has the word Coach stamped or embossed in the leather, and it comes with a little mini hang tag. So that's cute. It's a zipper pull, or it's attached to the zipper pull. And then here's the back. It looks the same as the front, just it doesn't say Coach here, obviously. And then it's also got the Coach cartouche stamp on the bottom. Hopefully you can see it easily on camera. And then when we open it, it's got tissue paper still inside. And then it's got some Coach cartouche lining on the inside. It's hard to show you on camera. Hopefully you can kind of see it, but anyway, this piece is lined. And next I'll show you the matching lipstick case. So it's also got Coach embossed or stamped here on the front. And then when we open it up, it's got a nice mirror inside. And it does say in here on the inside, but it's really hard. I can't even get a picture of it or show it on camera because it's along this inside part. It says made in China, and then it's got the Coach cartouche stamp and the bullseye stamp on the inside. Hopefully you can see it well. If not, I'll insert a photo. But yeah, here is the little lipstick case. So it's a cute little matching set. It would fit pretty nicely in most handbags, I would guess. But yeah, it's a really nice little set for a collector. And on the back, it says small cosmetic. I'm guessing that's short for small cosmetic pouch and lipstick. So I'm not sure if this specific set had a style number. I couldn't find one online. So I'm not sure if it actually had a style number or if this was just a gift set. I think the style number for the small cosmetic pouch was 6987, but I'm not sure about this specific lipstick case what the style number would have been. But anyway, it looks like they did sell it as some sort of gift set. But anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It is available in our Etsy shop if you are interested in looking at it further, but otherwise, just wanted to share it with you guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.